Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Sam, come here, please. My name is Mr. Tandy. What is your name?
My name is Sam.
Where are you from?
I am from Korea. Where are you from?
I am from the United States. How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Great, Sam. Isabel, where are you from?
I am from the Philippines.
Right! Okay, I am from the United States. I am or I'm. I am from the United States. Or I'm from the United States. I am or I'm. Oscar, where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
Oscar, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Excellent. Teresa, how old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Sam, you are 17 years old. You are. You are from Korea. You are 17 years old. You are. You are 17 years old, or you're 17 years old. You are or you're. Where am I from? Isabel.
You are from the United States.
Where am I from?
You're from the United States.
Great. Teresa, come here, please. Hi, Teresa. How are you?
Hi.
Okay. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Bye. Okay. Have a seat, please. Oscar, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Sam, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Teresa, come here, please. Hi, Teresa.
Good morning, Mr. Tandy.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Bye.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine, Sam. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Anna, come here, please. We. We. You. You.
We.
They. They.
They.
Class, how are you?
We are fine.
All right. We are or we're. Teresa?
How are you?
We're fine. Listen. Happy. Happy. Sad. Sad. Okay. Okay. Happy. Sad. Okay. Angry. Angry. Happy. Sad. Okay. Angry.
Scared. Scared. Tired. Tired. Scared. Tired. Hot. hot, cold, cold, scared, tired, hot, cold.
Hungry. Hungry. Thirsty. Thirsty. Hungry. Thirsty. Thirsty.
Mr. Tandy, how are you?
I'm angry.
Oscar, how are you?
I'm cold.
Now you ask Teresa.
Teresa, how are you?
I'm angry.
Now you ask Sam.
Sam, how are you?
I'm happy.
Great. Now you ask Isabel.
Hi, Isabel. How are you?
I'm sad.
Teresa, are you cold?
No, I'm not cold. I'm hot.
Oscar, are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you sad, Isabel?
No, I'm not sad. I'm tired. Hi, how are you?
I'm sad.
It's okay. No thanks.
Hey, how are you?
We're happy.
We're happy too.
Hey, how are you?
I'm hungry.
Sam's hungry too.
Hi, Teresa.
Oh, hey.
How are you?
I'm tired.
Oh, well, I'll see you later then.
Bye. Hello, how are you?
I'm cold.
Here.
Oh, thank you very much. What's your name?
My name is Sam.
And I'm Teresa.
I am Toby.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
See you later.
Okay, bye.
Hey, Teresa. How are you?
I'm angry. And I'm thirsty.
Here, Teresa.
Thanks, Sam.
You're welcome.
Hey, Teresa. How are you?
I'm scared.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm happy.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, how are you?
Could be better. Been working through my breaks this morning and even our computer's down.
I'm from the Philippines. Where are you from?
California. Our computer's down. How much is this? How much is this? $2.49. All right, that'll be $9.39.
Here's 50.
I'm sorry, I'm all out of change. Do you have anything smaller?
I'm scared.
I said I'm all out of change. Do you have anything smaller?
What is the holdup here?
They're angry.
What is the holdup?
Sorry. I'm sad.
Hey, lady, your purchase.
I'm scared and sad. I'm sorry.
Oscar, to your right. Stop. Oscar, come here. Come here. Listen, Oscar, when I say to your right, I mean to your right, not to your left. You've got to follow my instructions. You could have scored a goal there. Now listen, when I give instructions, you can't play on town alone. You got to do what I say, okay? What's his problem?
Hi, Oscar. Hey, Sam.
Hi, Isabel.
How are you, Oscar?
I'm not good.
Oh, no. I need English.
Yeah, I want more English.
We are sad.
I'm not sad. I am happy.
Oh, Sam. I'm hungry. Let's get pizza.
Yes.
Great!
Okay. Yeah.
Good pizza.
I'm thirsty.
Some water. Thanks, Isabel.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, hey, listen. In the library,
What is going on here? You can't leave through this door.
hi, my name is Oscar. What is your name?
My name is Mrs. Clark. Explain yourself, young man.
I am from Mexico. Where are you from?
I am from the library. Come with me. Stop the alarm, please.
I'm Mr. Draper. Hello, Oscar.
Hi. How are you? What? How are you? I'm fine, thanks. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you?
Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. I'm from Korea. Where are you from?
Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. What is your name?
How are you?
Now you ask Mr. Tandy. How are you? You ask him.
I'm sad.
How are you? Now you ask me. I'm cold.
How are you? You ask me. I am tired.
How are you? You ask me. I'm okay.
How is Mr. Tandy? How is Anna? How is Anna? How is Mr. Tandy? How is Anna? How is Mr. Tandy? How is Anna? How is Anna? How is Anna?